So, hi there again. The piece you all have been waiting for. I know I have. I mean, huge box. This is where it was shipped in. I mean, wow. So let's unbox this. Oh, this is nice. They should do this more often. Out of the way with that piece. Oh, and you can straight. This unboxing might be shorter than I thought it would be. Out of the way with that box. It's a smaller box than I think it would be. Building Worlds Kids Love, NEX, Titanfall. You can see the mini figure that comes with it, can get in, get out. The figure that is included. Nice. The action shot from the game, which I only played the demo of, so I'm not that familiar with this Titan and this soldier, but I looked some info up. 8+, yeah right. QR code for anyone who wants to scan that, go ahead. This is model 69503, limited edition gun included, which the soldier can hold. It's the IMC Atlas Titan building set. Limited edition! How far is it limited? I mean, just, yeah. So, Titanfall stuff. 8+, 160 pieces. Advertencia. Don't know what that says. Warning, choking hazard, attention. Oh, Titan, attention to the Titan. And here we have the back of the box. 1:1 scale of the figure. The cannon that the Titan comes with. It's 10.7 inches high. The figure can also pop out the top of the figure. The arms can rotate, move. You have here the figure next to the Titan. You have the feet that can move. You have the other things from NEX, including Titanfall things. You have the Facebook page. You have the small icon that instructions are included. Yep, nice. So I ordered this on the 29th of September for 35 euros, and I received it last Saturday, the 3rd of October. So it comes straight from the UK into the Netherlands. And yeah, for 35 euros I thought, hell, why not? So let's unbox this. already has been opened, presumably. Okay. Let me put this down. It's easier. Okay. So the instructions. The instructions. The stickers that you can put on to the panels. I thought these panels were actually already with that painted on them, but they're actually stickers. What do we have here? One bag of items. The soldier already completed. Wow, that guy is tiny. It reminds me of Lego stuff. Little backpack, little jet engine. Let me open this one. Come out, wherever you are. I will shoot you into the air. Something like that. I don't know. Just... wow. Just... wow. Mini figure. So what can we do with him? Well, we can rotate his hands. There is some elbow movement. Yeah. Arms can rotate. Head can move. No, head cannot move. No. Other arm can do the same, basically. The legs can move. Knee movement. Yeah. Okay. Backpack can move a bit. Why? Head can't move. Okay. Cool. Don't know if you can see this. It's actually... no, can't. It shines too much, but it has a number on it. 1108. I like the paint on this guy. Oh, you can actually pull him apart. Wow. How fascinating. I actually saw some reviews that brought to the attention that the belt is actually pretty easy to remove. His hip can move. Hips don't lie. Sorry. Can his head be removed as well then? No, that's just too tight. I won't risk it. Okay, so continuing. That's one part of the build that is complete. So what do we have here? Ooh, the big Titan pieces. Okay. Empty box for the rest of it. There is the gun. Huge gun. Quite interested about the gun as well. So let's just open that as well. Three pieces that you can shoot. The gun itself. Nice. This is the default loadout for the Titan. Nice, actually. Quite nice. Stick the thing in and then just push the button and it will pop. Yeah. Nice. I will put some referring material in the description below so you can refer to the figures I have here. You don't actually can store the other two projectiles. That's a minor thing to worry about. Where can you store the other two? Oh well. It's nice. So where is that limited edition gun then? Oh, here it is. Was scared for a brief moment because the box seemed to be opened. There it is. Oh, that's tiny. Let me see if I can focus on this. Wow, nice camo paint. Nice tiny gun. So grab the soldier real quick, which needs to be referred as an assassin with the helmet and the gear he has. So let's just let him hold his gun. Come on. Yep. He holds it quite firmly. That's good. Can he actually pose with it like it's a real soldier? Oh. Arm fell off. Okay. Just wondering if he can actually pose with it. No, his arms are too short for it, but it will do. Sorry, shooting noise, why not? So yeah, let's continue with the build. Actually quite small pieces in here as well. So yeah, I will just build it real quick with the instruction, of course, and then we'll be back to review it. there the model is then, the Titanfall Atlas Titan from IMC. The building went quick overall. Few issues with building it. I think, what the H were they thinking of yeah, combining all the stuff they did. I have 2 pieces still left. I went 3 times over the instruction booklet and I don't have found the use for this. So if anyone else have already built this model, then please let me know where this belongs, because I just don't know. Furthermore, these flaps here, they fall off pretty easily. I wanted to start positive on it, but these just fell off straight away. I am going to build this one more time, I think, and then a bit more solid. The figure is poseable. It is really good poseable. You have some nice, there goes that piece again. Seriously, I will contact the builder about this, because this is just a failure in my opinion. I will just keep them off. Richie clackety joints, so it's quite poseable knee. And I like all those plates, I really do. I mean, I had to sticker them, but I do like them. Even the nice ankle piece. The foot are on a ball joint that is coming quite easily loose. Don't know if you can see it that clearly over here. No, you can't. Let me see. Here you can see it quite easily. Right, where is that? Oh, well, there it goes. Another miss thing about this figure. This small black pieces that connects the foot to the leg, that is just too small. It doesn't catch on to the leg as well as it should be. I mean, just put a real solid connection on there, because you have to be able to move the foot freely. I mean, that's just a thing it has to do. But as you can see, you can actually move it quite much. It can actually stand like this. I mean, that's just so poseable. It's good. It's a solid figure. But that is just not a nice connection. It's also here connected to the joint. Don't know if you can. Let me raise it up a bit. It's also connected to this arm piece, and that's just it just doesn't work. Come on, man, it doesn't. This is also on a joint. Clickety clackety. The arms can rotate, elbow, hands can also rotate. So you have like this. Don't know why I find that funny, but I found that funny. I find that funny that you can actually move his arms like that. I mean, just, yeah. So pretty solid movement on this guy. So I did find a YouTube video beforehand, and hold on. Now I see it. Hold on for a brief moment here. That's why I miss it. I already thought, why am I keeping... Let me move this arm. Oh, there it goes again. See, that's just the thing about this. Make that a solid connection, come on. It's not that hard. Connects, guys, you did have been doing better than this. One point in the instruction that is a flaw then, as I should mention, is that they didn't let me see that I should have picked up this bit and connected to the hand. And there's a little piece in there. Don't know if you can see that well. There's a little piece in there, and it needs to face down and then just onto the hand, and the same goes for the other side. I completely missed that in the manual. Let me there's the piece right there. They don't mention to put it on anywhere. But overall the manual is pretty straightforward, and you have in the back here an index of what is all inside. But here you can see it. That's why I don't know. Here they have that cap already attached to the hand. That is not how it comes. Anyway, I will build it again more solid, because this door is also quite loose, but that's just the way you compress these two halves together. It is nice though. And you can actually, this is the back, IMC logo right here, little panel right here, some air thrusters to lift the Titan in the air. These things can fall off quite easily as well. Don't know why they have a handle like this. I guess the figure can grab it with his hands, but this is nice. This lets you move the chair up and down, so it can actually look outside through the hatch. This piece is a bit, I don't know, you can attach it, but it's quite hard to do so. But it keeps the two halves in place. Air thrusters might fall off because it's quite loose. It's only connected to a white piece. But overall the thing is solid. I mentioned just a couple of seconds before that I watched somebody on YouTube which already owned this, and they were not that amazed by it. They had a lot of flaws on their model. Mine only a tiny bit, only these bits. I mean, seriously, look at that connection. I mean, how? Nah, just not possible. But let me enter this figure right here. Just let loose of your gun for a moment. Yep, there goes his arm. You can actually let him stand up. On the well, the manual shows you how to. I just I had a lot of build time now on my hands, so you can stand him in there, but there's a pack in there. Don't know if you can see it. No, it's too dark for that. Hold on. Flashlight from my smartphone. Always comes in handy with these kind of things. Come on, boot up. Yeah. There you can see a peggle. And the small piece just quite fiddly to put him in there. But he doesn't fall out, so that's a plus. And then you can close this. See, that's just, I think because I put the two halves just too soon to each other, then that hatchet won't stuck. The top will, but the lower part won't. But that's just a building flaw, not a figure flaw. The one I looked the review about said the bags weren't the right color. The package did show, but the package showed me green bags, and I have green bags, so not. I don't remember what his color needed to be, but over here in the EU it's the color it should have. Yep. And there goes the air thruster. And it's only on this white piece right here. Oh, that's not the right way. The other way around. And then you can open the hatchet. Let me get mobile here. Hopefully this doesn't fall off now. And now you can let the soldier peek out for a moment. You can actually close the hatchet back a bit, and now it really peeks out. Just a neat feature about this model. I mean, overall I'm happy with this. I don't see the major issues other had. It's posable. I like it. The stickers I'm not that a fan of, but that's just me, I think. Don't know about you guys, but stickers, come on, just paint the panels already. Also a tiny sticker on the gun. And let me see if he can hold it actually in place firmly. So how does he... Okay, so that's a design flaw that others mentioned as well. He actually can't grab his gun on one hand. He actually has to move out. Now the whole thing comes apart. That joint is not solid. That joint is not solid at all. That is not the way it can fit. That's the way. Now he can hold his gun. That just looks funny with the soldier on top here. So the gun should be more capable of really holding. But with all these minor flaws, if you can call them that, or design flaws, I will replace those itchy bitchy joints with just standard grey ones from NEX, because that's just seriously. Respawn, NEX, if you're thinking about making another Titan like this, call me. I mean, you clearly made some design flaws. Maybe at that point it looked fine, it looked okay, it looked solid, but just one or two design flaws, and just mail me, text me, whatsoever. I mean, you should do a version 2 of this guy. You really should. I mean, the figure overall is good. The posability is good. It stands pretty solid. I mean, yeah, he's 30 centimeters. I mean, come on, what do you expect? He is on his foot, and he is solid on his foot. I can move this, and the figure won't fall over. So it's good. But design flaws right here, right there. So should you buy this? Yes, definitely you should buy this if you are a Titanfall guy, or if you are a NEX guy. Buy this, seriously. Don't know if I'm going to post this on my shelf or not. I mean, it is apparently built for that, but don't know. Also, no storage for these missiles. But yeah, well, that's it. Nice gun, nice gun, nice bigger gun with a scope. Why a Titan with a scope? Seriously. But yeah, that's it. As mentioned, I will put all the details of reference to this figure, how this guy should look, how this guy should look, what his standard loadout is. I will put that all in the description below with a link and with some information down below. And yeah, that's it. Instructions are clear. IMC logo right here. Yeah, well, that's it. And yeah, if you want any information from me about this figure, I'm a NEX builder like this and that, and can I order this then? Just PM me and I will try to inform you as good as possible. Okay, that's it.